Hello, today we'll be talking about the Iron Snake Space Marine chapter, a Ultramarine successor chapter from the second founding. The chapter master, Saw Damocles, who was a captain of the Ultramarine 6th Company during the Great Crusade and Horus Heresy, founded a homeworld for the chapter in the Reef Stars sector, the ocean world of Ithaca, with its vicious cold polar regions and its tropical islands with oceans filled with sea monsters, making it perfect for new recruits for the chapter. For a initiate to join the chapter, they must kill a giant sea serpent known as a Acrobatus, which can grow up to 300 meters in length. Quite impressive to kill one of these monsters. Unlike most Ultramarine successor chapters, the Iron Snakes do not follow the Codex Astartes as strictly as other Space Marine chapters. For example, the company does not follow the Codex Company structure, instead basing their organization around the simple 10-man squad. Each squad is named after the first squad leader, with the most elite squads being called notables, which are Skyro, Parthius, Vili, Thebes, and Damocles. So since the Iron Snakes do not have scout companies, how does a petitioner, which is what the Iron Snakes call their recruits, join the chapter? Well, a petitioner, which operates as chapter staff and personal servants for a full battle brother. When a battle brother dies or becomes a dreadnought, a petitioner must duel their potential squad mates in single combat competitions. Winning of these competitions or those judged with particular skillfulness by their squad leader are allowed to join the squad, and this is all the same with all squads including the notables. Each squad has a standard bearer and a support weapon squad which favor plasma guns and flamers, each squad having an apothecary in their squads. When a squad is completely wiped out, it is reconstructed under its original name, with its new squad leader being promoted from the ranks of an elder or more veteran battle brother of another squad. Unique to the Iron Snakes, the chapter uses power spears and war dogs used to combat and track, especially against Drukhari, otherwise known as Dark Eldar. The first notable action was the Battle of Thessia, where they faced the Emperor's children under the command of the demon Primarch Fulgrim, where their Primarch Wabute Gilman was wounded by his demonic brother. In the 41st millennium, the Iron Snakes participated in the Sabbath World Crusade, where they fought in the Palalia, Civitalius, Fornex, Alpha, Vergas, Area, and Melboldia 9 war zones, and were part of the liberation of Urdush. In more recent history, the Iron Snakes were part of the Battle of Wakos, where they faced the Chaos Forces once again under the command of their Primarch Wabute Gilman. I've been Inquisitor Blair. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Have a good day.